The next thing we are going to look at is how to crack the passwords of encrypted PDF files. So I have a folder that contains an encrypted PDF file. You can see template.pdf. So if I try to open that particular file, you can see it's asking for a password. So we want to see if we can be able to crack our way and obtain this particular password for this PDF file. So I'm going to ask the Gemini CLI how I can be able to achieve this. So I'm going to switch to the Gemini CLI and I'm going to ask it how. Okay, so I've prompted it on how I can obtain. So I've prompted it on how I can obtain the password of an encrypted PDF file. Okay, let's see what it comes up with. I hope I don't get the warning prompt. So our results are here. You can crack the password of an encrypted PDF using John the Ripper. And the process is similar to the zip and SSH. Okay, so we have a tool called PDF to John, which is a utility to extract the password verification data from the encrypted PDF file into a format that John can understand, and then we are supposed to use it and redirect that format to a file, and then that file is the one that will pass it to John and it will be able to crack the password. Okay, let's do that. So I'm going to say PDF to John, and then the name of our file is template PDF. Then I'm going to redirect it to PDF hash file. Then if we cut that PDF hash file, you can be able to see the hash that has been extracted or the format that has been created. So we are going to pass it to John. So I'm going to say John, okay, word list, okay, roq.txt. Then the name of the file is PDF John. Okay, let's see what we can get. And with that, you can see we have been able to obtain the password of that particular hash. It took a bit of time, okay, but we are able to get the password of that particular PDF file.